welcome back. I hope you've been doing great. I know I've been out of the frame for a while now, and if you're still here, thank you so much for joining in today. And that's what I'm making the video on. I just thought, I'll let you know what I've been up to and what I've been doing for the last couple of months that I've been completely out of YouTube, and fill you in with some snippets and things that has been going on, and let you know that I'm here. I'm here, and thanks once again for joining. Get yourself a cup of tea and coffee or something to nibble on, and let's catch up.
चंदन गंधा पुष्प भक्ति पुष्पांजलि
ये मंडप का प्रेजेंट नेम कॉमन नेम गेज्जलम
Virus just doesn't go away. So vaccine scientists
I'm sure by now you have seen, what's going on and what I've been doing. I sort of decided to kind of like block everything off and take a break. And the reason being is when you want to do so much and you're like sort of like overwhelmed with everything going on, I think it's so important that you give yourself that privilege, that permission to take a break. Because I was kind of like disintegrating because there was so much going on and there was so much I really wanted to do, and I just decided to like stop everything and take a break. Today's the day. Today's the day that I feel like I am rested. I have made huge changes in last I think a month. Reset for me is getting back into that mindset that Monday is coming and there is a lot of things that needs to be sort of planned, because once Monday starts you don't have time to catch up then, because you're constantly like running after things and to-dos and things to get done and everything. But hey, that's a good thing. I always say it's a privilege if you're busy, because a lot of people want to be busy and they don't have the right opportunity to be there. So at the same time, look at your mental health and your how you can sustain it. So what Reset Day does for me is, frankly, this whole Sunday morning I basically chilled on the couch and I feel great. I actually feel nice. So that's why I thought I'll pick up the camera and I'm just going to talk to you and how you have been and everything. There are a couple of changes that I've made and I think it is keeping me happy. So the reset part is, yes, I will prep, I will clean up the apartment, not like crazy insane deep cleaning or whatever. It's just basic cleaning and make sure things are okay. I will make sure something is spread for food and something is ready for Monday, because come Monday I do want to focus on work. My focus is on work. My focus is not to serve a 5-course meal on Monday. That's not possible. And if there are people who are not okay with that, I'm completely okay. You can say whatever you want to tell me, but that's how it's going to be. I'm going to put me first, and I'm going to, you know, make sure I'm good, my family's good, and then we are good. Like, I think that happens with age. Like, you stop caring about what people has to tell about you, and I think, you know, faster you get it, better it is for you, because you'll be so much more happier. It took me a long time. It shouldn't take you. While I'm back on YouTube, I also think that I should not overcommit and overpromise. I hope you understand. I will be posting, and hopefully and hopefully once a week. But then you know, if you don't hear from me for a week, I'm still here. Okay, I'm still here. I'm probably just taking a pause and a deep breath and smelling the roses somewhere. So yeah, I think that's where I'm right now. So just wanted to quickly catch up with you and tell you that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, and you know, you're the boss. Take care of yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. All right, bye bye.